All right, this is Motivational Movements. I'm here with the lovely Charlene, and she's going to talk to us about why you should come to the Rum Cake Factory in Nassau. So, Charlene, why should the public come here? This amazing Rum Cake Factory.
The Rum Cake Factory, we've established this 24 years now. We're 100% Bahamian made by the Ricardo Dark Rum.
Oh, even better.
And we make 14 different flavors.
14.
Vacuum sealed and lasts 1 year. And it's all cruise ship and airport approved. So guys, wherever you at, come on down, we get you some rum cake. You can order online. We have different flavors. No places except the Bahamas Rum Cake Factory on East Bay Street, where we have 14 different flavors and we open every day, Monday to Friday. We have original, pina colada,
Oh, man.
coconut, pineapple, key lime, banana, amaretto. Oh, my favorite, chocolate, key lime, Kentucky bourbon. We also have the caramel, Irish cream, and coffee. So come on down, guys. Come to Bahamas Rum Cake Factory. We have different flavors, one and only one. No place like except in the Bahamas. Come on down, guys. Shop. We have discount prices. We have flavors, sample you could try. Original pina colada, whatever you like. Best souvenir in the world. Come on down, guys.
Awesome. With so many options, why would you not come down? And also, I just been informed there's a Viking discount that you all can take advantage of. You talking about the Viking discount?
Viking discount. Just come and ask for her and give the Viking discount, all right?
That's okay. We're going to charge him more, double.
You guys got to come to the Rum Cake Factory here when you're here in Nassau. Till next time. Thank you, Charlotte.
No problem. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Have a best day. Bye.